Teddy, what up? Were you trying to help me? Teddy was trying to help me. So, you okay? Thanks for helping with the postals. Don't stop till you get enough. Keep up with the postals. Hey, Teddy. How's it going, Teddy? How's it going, Teddy? Teddy. Teddy. Teddy, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, Teddy. Come here, Teddy. Okay. Okay. You need a little help? Need a little help? Need a little help? Okay. I will try to help you get that little stamp off. Are we shipping you somewhere? Are we sending some love? Are we sending some love? Okay, you're kind of concerned about that stamp, aren't you? Pobrecito. Teddy. Okay, I'll help you get it off. I'll help you get it off. I will help you get it off.